The spiral rolling pin. The information provided in this video is for general informational and entertainment purposes only. Wooden Heart assumes no responsibility for errors or omissions in the content, or for any actions taken based on the information provided. Viewers use this information at their own risk, and Wooden Heart is not liable for any damages or injuries arising from its use. Woodworking can be dangerous and should be limited to persons with the skill and proper understanding of the safety requirements needed to use the tools involved. The spiral rolling pin is made by making diagonal cuts on opposite sides of a blank, matching the end of each cut which, when turned, give the illusion of a spiral. We begin with 2 pieces of Purple Heart and 1 piece of Paddock, each 1 inch by 2.5 inch by 24. These are glued together to form a blank 2.5 inch by 3 inch by 24. Subsequent to this, the blank is cut diagonally and re-glued. Following this, the blank is planed on 2 adjacent sides and then cut on the table saw to 2.25 by 2.25 inches. A blank cut from a single piece of wood tends to twist somewhat when performing the cuts, thus the reason for laminating 3 pieces of wood. The choice of Paddock and Purple Heart is because the 2 colors complement each other when oiled at the finish. The cuts will be performed using a setup that cuts a 1/4 inch dado 1 1/8 inch deep at a 20-degree angle. The first cut is made 4 inches from the end. Subsequent cuts are made by turning the blank over to the opposite side and making a cut inside the previous cut. When the cuts are about 10 inches from the uncut end, the blank is flipped end for end, and cuts continue until they come to 4 inches from the end. Inserts, which have been made previously out of maple, are dry-fitted onto the blank, following which they are glued in place. Turning commences. Now, sanding commences, starting with 60 grit and working up to 220 grit. Decorative ends made of aluminum are added to the rolling pin. Finally, the rolling pin is finished with a coat of mineral oil. Thank you for watching this video. Additional videos can be found on our homepage. If you liked this video, consider leaving a like or subscribing.